This simplified the detailed technical guidelines and presents the most important elements of Annex 1, Manufacture of Sterile Products in Easy-to-Understand Language. Title: Sterile Product Manufacturing Guidelines. Description: This guide provides essential instructions for the safe production of sterile medicinal products. The main focus is on maintaining sterility and preventing contamination by following strict rules, using specialized equipment, and ensuring proper training of personnel. It covers the processes, facilities, and checks needed to make sure that medicines are free from harmful microbes, particles, or toxins. 1. Scope: Sterile products include anything from drugs, excipients, inactive ingredients, to packaging that comes in contact with these products. This guide is applicable to all sterile products, regardless of how automated or manual the process may be. The goal is to prevent contamination and ensure high-quality products. 2. Key principles: Minimizing contamination. Sterile product manufacturing must follow strict rules to avoid contamination from microbes, particles, or pyrogens, substances that cause fever. Good design. Facilities and equipment should be well designed to protect products during manufacture. Use of technology. Technologies like restricted access barrier systems, RABS, isolators, and robotic systems can help maintain cleanliness and sterility. Well-trained personnel. Workers should have the necessary training and experience to handle sterile products correctly. 3. Pharmaceutical Quality System (PQS). A PQS ensures that the entire manufacturing process is well controlled. For sterile products, this means regular risk assessments to identify and reduce contamination risks, implementing corrective actions if a risk or failure is identified, ensuring personnel responsible for product quality have sufficient access to relevant manufacturing data and expertise. 4. Premises. Sterile product manufacturing requires a very clean environment, separated into various cleanroom levels, grades A, B, C, and D, based on the level of cleanliness required. Grade A: the most critical areas where products are exposed. Grade B: background environment supporting Grade A operations. Grade C and D: less critical but still controlled environments for other production activities. All surfaces in clean rooms must be easy to clean and should not shed particles. 5. Equipment. Equipment used must be designed to minimize contamination risk and should be easy to clean and sterilize. Proper maintenance is crucial, and any repairs or changes must be carefully managed to ensure they don't introduce contamination. 6. Utilities. Special utilities like water, steam, and gas used in sterile production must be of very high quality to avoid contamination. Regular testing of water and gases should be done to ensure they remain clean. 7. Personnel. Personnel working in sterile areas should be minimized and must follow strict hygiene practices. Regular training on sterile techniques and the potential dangers of contamination. Gowning procedures should be strict, with clothing like gloves, masks, and sterilized suits required in high-grade areas. 8. Production and specific technologies. There are two main ways to sterilize products. 1. Terminal sterilization. Products are made and then sterilized in their final container. 2. Aseptic processing. Products are sterilized first, then processed in sterile conditions without further exposure to contaminants. Different types of cleanroom environments, grades A, B, C, D, are used for various steps in the production process, depending on the risk of contamination. 9. Monitoring the environment. The environment where sterile products are made must be monitored regularly to ensure it stays clean. Both viable, microbial, and non-viable particles. Contaminants are checked to make sure the clean rooms and equipment stay within acceptable limits. 10. Quality control (QC). Strict quality control checks are required at every step. This includes testing products, equipment, and environmental conditions. Any failures must be investigated thoroughly, and steps should be taken to prevent them from happening again. 11. Glossary. Key terms and definitions specific to sterile manufacturing are provided to clarify important concepts, such as different contamination types, cleanroom grades, and the types of sterilization processes used.